1. You should wake up early. 2. You should drink more water. 3. You should eat healthy food. 4. You should exercise every day. 5. You should go to bed early. 6. You should study regularly. 7. You should help your parents. 8. You should be honest. 9. You should respect your elders. 10. You should speak politely. 11. You should finish your homework. 12. You should save money. 13. You should keep your room clean. 14. You should wash your hands before eating. 15. You should wear clean clothes. 16. You should be on time. 17. You should listen carefully. 18. You should think before speaking. 19. You should be careful. 20. You should stay positive. 21. You should learn English every day. 22. You should read books. 23. You should watch less TV. 24. You should avoid junk food. 25. You should keep smiling. 26. You should call your parents. 27. You should respect everyone's feelings. 28. You should never lie. 29. You should stay calm. 30. You should forgive others. 31. You should keep your promises. 32. You should be confident. 33. You should believe in yourself. 34. You should learn from your mistakes. 35. You should avoid bad company. 36. You should be kind to everyone. 37. You should clean your desk. 38. You should check your email. 39. You should reply politely. 40. You should keep learning. 41. We should leave now. 42. We should work together. 43. We should respect nature. 44. We should plant more trees. 45. We should save electricity. 46. We should keep our city clean. 47. We should support each other. 48. We should stay united. 49. We should help the poor. 50. We should recycle waste. 51. They should arrive on time. 52. They should apologize. 53. They should work hard. 54. They should follow the rules. 55. They should be patient. 56. She should wear a jacket. 57. She should take a break. 58. She should call her mother. 59. She should speak clearly. 60. She should trust you. 61. He should work harder. 62. He should see a doctor. 63. He should stop smoking. 64. He should drive carefully. 65. He should eat on time. 66. I should wake up earlier. 67. I should save more money. 68. I should practice English daily. 69. I should call my friend. 70. I should complete this work today. 71. Should I help you? 72. Should I call him? 73. Should I wait here? 74. Should we leave now? 75. Should we inform them? 76. Should I open the window? 77. Should I bring my laptop? 78. Should we book the tickets now? 79. Should they come tomorrow? 80. Should she join us? 81. You shouldn't waste your time. 82. You shouldn't be late. 83. You shouldn't worry too much. 84. You shouldn't argue. 85. You shouldn't skip breakfast. 86. We shouldn't fight. 87. They shouldn't make noise. 88. He shouldn't drive so fast. 89. She shouldn't stay up late. 90. She shouldn't stay up late. 91. You should take care of yourself. 92. You should keep your phone charged. 93. You should check the weather. 94. You should carry an umbrella. 95. You should lock the door. 96. You should answer the phone. 97. You should finish your meal. 98. You should attend the meeting. 99. You should enjoy your life. 100. You should never give up.